Good day everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a special unboxing, and in this box there are two items. One is familiar, my very favorite knife, the Fujiwara Denka no Hoto 210mm Gyoto with a beautiful custom handle. And this time that knife is also getting a custom saya. The individual who made the custom saya is Casey Valinsky. You might know him from the Lynn Valley Forge videos I've made in the past. He's a super talented knifesmith out of North Vancouver. When he sent me a prototype knife roughly 2 years ago, it was a 7-inch chef's knife, integral boaster, twisted W's, Damascus pattern, just absolutely gorgeous knife. His first time trying a Hamon, I just knew based on the level of craftsmanship that if I had to get my absolute favorite knife to have a custom saya, it would be through Casey. So without further ado, thank you so much for being here. Now let's just dive right in. So what you are about to look at is local spalted maple burl, dyed and stabilized. I got two pins. One pin is Fordite and the other one is a Tasmanian fiddleback blackwood. There should be a Fordite pin in there, but let's take a look at what we have in front of us. Forgot to mention it also has brass pins. Wow. Look at the figure on this wood. The burl is magnificent. So I wanted something, as you know, truly unique to go with my favorite Japanese custom handle and favorite Japanese blade. And so what I decided to do, as you can see, is a bit of a match, a reverse match. We have a blue handle. The majority of the handle is blue, not all of it of course. And so I wanted a bluish saya, and to tie it all together, even though this is just a tiny pin, it's still a huge detail for me. Let's see if I can get that in focus. And this essentially matches the color on the handle. Super cool. Casey, as usual, with the best sayas I've ever seen. I absolutely love the pins that he puts on the beautifully contoured saya, and the choice of wood. Oof, that was nice, man. Local spalted maple burl. Hell yeah. Look at that. That is absolutely gorgeous. I've never seen sayas so nice that I actually love to leave my blades in the sayas that Casey has made for me and on the knife rack, just because they look that good. A saya doesn't just need to be an accessory. You know how I do things. It's never just something. It's always something more. This is more than just a tool. It's something I look at every day. It's something I dream of. When I leave the house, I miss the knives, I miss the kids. So thank you, Casey, for making a beautiful custom saya, exquisite custom saya for my favorite Japanese kitchen knife in all of my collection, the Fujiwara Denka. Let's put the knife back in before we end the video. Hope you're still enjoying the video with the shotgun mic, a little bit of ASMR. Nice tight fit. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.